Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring the core project so you can focus on music. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz for streaming or 48 kHz for video. Make sure buffer is 128-256 samples for low latency. Once done, pick a jazz combo or empty template because templates save routing and effects. Create your tracks next: stereo piano, mono horns, drum kit, bass. Then save a new template called Jazz New, so the same setup is instantly available for the next session. Now capture performances efficiently so you keep creative momentum. Arm tracks and enable cycle mode for 8 to 16 bar loops. This gives you multiple takes without stopping the groove. Use low latency monitoring and a click at a comfortable tempo. Click helps tight ensemble playing. Once you have several passes, use quick swipe comping to assemble the best phrases, because comping preserves feel without losing spontaneity. Also label takes and keep punch-in regions tidy for fast editing later on. Finish by shaping the arrangement and lock in a clear mix you can trust. Begin mix balance with drums and bass as the foundation, then bring piano and horns forward. Automate volume for solos. Use gentle compression on buses, add a plate reverb to send channels, and cut problematic low mids so each instrument breathes. When satisfied, bounce stems and a final stereo mix at your chosen sample rate. If something goes wrong, reload an earlier version from the project backups to restore a working state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.